Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro. Date of birth, February 5, 1985. Place of birth, Funchal, Madeira, Portugal. Cristiano Ronaldo is a world-renowned Portuguese football, soccer, player. He began his career with Sporting Lisbon and later played for Manchester United before joining Real Madrid. Ronaldo has also played for Juventus. In addition to his club career, he has been a key player for the Portuguese national team. Notable achievements: Cristiano Ronaldo has won numerous individual awards, including multiple FIFA Ballon d'Or awards and European Golden Shoe awards. He is known for his incredible goal-scoring ability and versatility on the field, playing as a forward or winger. Ronaldo has been an integral part of teams that have won domestic league titles and the UEFA Champions League. Off the field, Cristiano Ronaldo is known for his philanthropic efforts and endorsements with various brands. He's one of the most recognizable and marketable athletes globally, and his impact on the world of football is immense.